Hello, hi viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Now at this time we are teach you how to edit your footer of your website in WordPress. How to create or how to edit your footers in the WordPress website. Let's see how to manage this website. First of all, you go move to your dashboard of your desired website if you have. Otherwise, you keep watching, you will be learn how to manage, how to create footer of this website. First of all, what is footer? Footer, that's area of your website that's called a footer. First of all, we are set the about us setting of this about a footer. First of all, going to appearance, widgets. Please keep watching and follow steps. Few steps you will be manage easily. First of all, this footer call footer 1, footer 2, footer 3. Now at this time we are at footer 1. This is about us heading and this is the text that are show here. You are need to change. We are going to home. We copy some desired text that we are paste there. This text we are paste here, there. Copy and paste. We will paste successfully. Press the save button. You will be see what happened here. This is the last we developed security program. Now I am going to press the F5 button or refresh button. You will be see some changes are made here. We provide the services in residential and commercial places. All of the text are show here. Is there some other useful links about us, services, portfolio, contact us are show here. This is the I think so correct. We don't need to change here. If you want to change, no problem. Done. After the complete this, press the done button and move to footer 2 because this is the our footer 2 button. Go and press the footer 2. Custom links. What is the custom links? This we are create a menu in our going to exit. I am create two type of menus, appearance menus. Two type of menus we are this menu custom links. You will be see custom links. Sorry, menus, add menu, create a new menu. Where is our all? This is the custom link. Is there I am going to set my all custom links that are show in footer. Done. These are my custom links. Press this button. Don't need, just add this. I'm going to remove this because we don't need this, will be confusion, some confusion. This will be show up custom links here. And footer 3, what is the footer 3? Contact info. All contact info are shown in footer 3. You can see on your screen. This is our contact information. But at this time there is no the fourth footer show. Let's check because this information we are show in footer 4. Let's see what happened now. I am going to shift to my focus to about us page because this page is a heavy page. Let's see, you will be never see this because our setting is set on 3 footers, not 4. I shift this in footer 4. First of all, we are going to set the footer setting for this. Going to customization of this theme. Appearance, customization. Theme के अंदर है customization. We are click on this customization. Either we set the number of footers that we are show on our website. We need at this time 4, but the system is by default set 3. Let's see how to add a new footer. Footer widgets, click on footer widgets. Is there, I am going to set the 4. Number of column 3, number of columns I set the 4. Press the publish button. Done successfully. Move back. Done. No changes need more. Just press the refresh button. You will see our 4th here, because at this time we have no 3 footer. You will see on your screen the 4th are show here, but at this time we are need to show here 3rd and then 4. We are going to add the 3rd. In the 3rd we are going to show our services. Just add the text. Drag and copy here. Just add the heading our services. Our services. Enter your all services here. We are move this, copy this services from our website. Just press the about us button. Press the our services button. Is there I copy this all services. This is the easiest way to add services. All services. This will be black space. How to remove? Just press the delete button. Yes, done successfully. This is the heading that are show here like this. This is the sub content that are show here. This. Press the save. Done. Now I am going to refresh the button. Let's see what happened. That's great. This is about us. This is our useful links. This is our services that our company made. This is our contact information. Now at this time we are going to change this data. Press the widgets, contact information. Just set the is there, enter your contacts. Remove this. Open the Word file. Is here I am already paste the address of desired company. This is his phone number. I paste the phone number in phone icon, and this is okay. That's great. 3rd is great. And in email, I am write the email. Where is the email? That's email. That's email copy. Another thing we don't have and we don't need to add, because the customer not give us the such data like this. But at this time we are need to add address. This address is the Canada, because this is a company of Canada. Just complete this, save, done. After that, I am going to test what happened. Done, address done, phone number done, and this done. We can add one phone number more, because customer gave us 2 numbers, because if he will ask us, he will disturb us when we are not on the phone. Mobile, fax, email. Go into phone, add this, style, this, title, phone. Okay, that's great. Going to update this, save, done, and you will be refresh your you will see both phone numbers are added successfully. Thanks for your watching. Keep watching and you will be learn more about the WordPress and WordPress setting. This is tutorial we are going to end how to add a footer of your website. Thanks for your watching, and please subscribe the bell icon, and you will be see notification when we are upload any video. Thanks for watching.